it gives you the best protection you could possibly have. You just feel safer putting your little people on the equipment. We have to remulch every so often, and that means that we don't want our kids on the playground when it's not safe. But with this new surface, they can play all the time. And here's the other cool thing is they can run on it. Whereas before you're kind of, don't run on the mulch because it's, it just gets a little crazy. But this is built so that you can run and the surface is level. So you're not having holes and pits, and so they do get more activity. And so if it's muddy in the grassy area, they still have the opportunity to run on this surface.
Well, combined with the two playgrounds, we have roughly 45,000, 50,000 square feet of surface. And when you think about, for safety's sake, how deep the mulch has to be and how much mulch we have, and the fact that it decomposes every couple of years, gets moved around and tracked around and kicked off the playground, this made a whole lot of sense because we were replacing it every couple of years, which is a big effort to do. We have to get a lot of volunteers and it takes a lot of mulch.
All kids can use it. So we have students who are in wheelchairs, and so they have access to everything. So that's the great part. I think that's my favorite part, is that everybody has access to everything. And the other fun thing, even just looking at it, it's visually appealing, and so you just want to take your shoes off and just touch it.
When we get to weather situations like a little bit of rain or some of the shoes that the kids wear, how active they are, the mulch it gets in their shoes, gets on the bottom of their shoes, and it's tracked into the building. From the playground directly into the building, it gets into the carpet and tracked into some of the classrooms, and it's just a maintenance headache. Not much, actually. It's permeable, so when it rains, it's dry almost immediately. Basically, we just do some minor housekeeping. Basically, it's just boiling it off with a leaf blower or brooming it off with a broom.
So a hose works fine on it?
Yes, we've just only had a few accidents since we've had it, and a little bucket and a brush, and it's gone. It's easy to clean.
Our equipment that we had for him were close to the sidewalk, so that was as far as he could get. So he would see his peers and they'd run away, and he could not join them. And I looked everywhere for a wheelchair that would go in the mulch, and it's just not made. And so the great thing is now he can tool right along with his wheelchair. He's faster than many of them running. And so they love to, the kids love that too. They want him to be able to come along as well.